Alright, today I'm going to be replacing the battery on this Roomba. So what I'm going to do is I have a Phillips screwdriver, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to remove one of the brushes, not all of them, but one of the brushes. As you can see, I have the Roomba upside down with the brushes exposed going upwards. And so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to locate the places where I'm going to have to use a screw. Not all the screws on the bottom side need to be unscrewed. The one I'm going to do is right here. This brush has to be taken off in order to access the battery and replace it. So I'm going to unscrew this one first. Alright, so once I unscrew that one, then locate this one right here, unscrew that one, and I like to let the screw sit on top after I unscrewed them. Carefully, there's one right here, and then there is one on right here, and then the other one is on the opposite side. So I'm just going to take this and go to the opposite side and screw it right here so you can see this. They come off relatively easily, or come unscrewed relatively easy. And then there's actually another one right behind the sensor right here. I'm going to take this and I'm going to unscrew that one. And so once they are unscrewed, you just simply come up here and you can lift up this panel like this. All right, do you see that? Lift it up, this panel, and then just set this to the side like that. And then here is the battery right here. Now, in order to get this battery off, there's a little clip right here. And you just simply pull this back, pull the battery out, take it off, and then replace it with a new battery, sliding it back into place like that. Once that's slid it back in place, simply take your cover, put it back on, and screw all the screws back into place. And then replace this, screw this down.